Chapter 14 Indian Villages Learning Objectives Villages then, Villages now, Village Panchayat, Cooperative Societies. A large number of people in India live in villages. Their life is quite different from that of people in towns and cities. Villages then. Earlier, people living in villages faced many problems. This was because people lived in kacha houses built of mud and straw. There were no pakka roads. There were no means of transport other than bullock carts. There was no supply of drinking water. People had to walk long distances to fetch water. Many villages had no electricity. There were no hospitals. Villages now. Over the years, life in villages has improved. Many people live in pakka houses. There are pakka roads that connect villages to other villages, towns and cities. Most villages get a regular water supply. Hand pumps have been installed in many villages. Almost all villages have electricity. Schools and health centers have been set up. Farmers are being educated in new techniques in farming. This has increased crop production. Adults are learning how to use computers. Fact file. Molinong se Molinong, a village in Meghalaya, is one of the cleanest villages in Asia. Waste baskets are kept everywhere. People throw waste in these baskets. Village Panchayat. There are thousands of villages in our country. They have panchayats or gram sabhas. Its members are the panchs. They are elected by the people of village who are more than 18 years of age. There must be at least one woman member in the gram panchayat. The elected members among themselves elect their pradhan or sarpanch. The village panchayat makes suitable arrangements for the cleanliness of the village, digging wells to provide clean drinking water, lighting on roads and streets at night, construction and repair of roads inside the village, running of the primary schools, running of the adult education centers, providing medical help to the sick person, settling disputes among the villagers, helping the villagers in controlling the diseases. The Gram Panchayat appoints a Gram Sevak or Sevika to help the villagers. Gram Sevaks or Sevikas are the people who guide the villagers to improve their living conditions. All the villagers must help the Panchayat for various development works. Village Panchayat needs money to do all these things. It gets money through taxes on fairs, shops and houses. It also gets money in the form of grants from the state government. Fact file. Tax charged on the goods brought in the city from other places in the country is known as octroi tax. Cooperative societies. In recent years, cooperative societies have been formed as institutions working for the welfare of their members. They do not have the authority of local self-government units, but they do provide many services to the people. A farmers' cooperative society provides assistance to farmers. Cooperative stores sell many essential things at cheap rates. They also sell school books and other stationery items. Government is also taking many steps to strengthen the cooperative movement. Cooperatives are found in villages, towns and cities. They are familiar with the people living in the area, thus they are more efficient to provide better services. Fact file. Mahatma Gandhi advocated Panchayati Raj, a decentralized form of government where each village is responsible for its own affairs as the foundation of India's political system. The term he coined for such a vision was Gram Swaraj, village self-governance. Points to remember. A large number of people in India live in villages. People living in villages faced many problems. People face the problems of housing, roads, transport and drinking water. Over the years, life in villages has improved. Now people have many amenities in the villages like pakka roads, regular water supply, electricity, schools and health centers. The village panchayat provides basic facilities like clean drinking water, electricity, primary school and repairing of road. Panchayat gets money to do these work through taxes on shops, fairs and houses. State government also gives money for these purposes. In recent years, cooperative societies have been formed in the villages which work for the welfare of its people. B.